Breaking news. Heavy rain lashes the city roads flooded. Traffic disrupted. Authorities warn, stay indoors, avoid travel. More updates coming soon.
Baby, it's raining heavily. Please come home.
It's raining here too. I'm coming.
It's raining heavily and flashlight red. You don't see well, no light.
I don't know. The order isn't available right now. And there's nothing to eat at home either.
In this heavy rain, I'll have to go by cycle.
Okay, I'm so hungry and best of luck.
Where did all the stuff go?
You're very late because of the heavy rain. All the stuff got spoiled, and whatever is left here is expired, so don't touch it.
What will we eat now? Somehow, try to find something from somewhere or place an order. I came here with so much difficulty in this rain, and on top of that, my cycle is in very bad condition.
Brother, we have to close the shop and go home. You pick up your old cycle and leave.
I am very late to go, so all the stuff isn't there.
Hello, who's?
Ma'am, it's me. The rain has slowed down. That's why I called. Will you place an order now?
Yes, of course I will.
you.